This question belongs to civil set 2. Question is, population of state X increased by X% and the population of state Y increased by Y% from 2001 to 2011. Assume that X is greater than Y. Let P be the ratio of the population of state X to state Y in a given year. The percentage increase in P from 2001 to 2011 is dash. Option A is given X minus Y. Option B is given 100 into X minus Y upon 100 plus X. Option C is given 100 into X minus Y upon 100 plus Y. Option D is given X upon Y. Okay. So, this is very simple question. What is given? Population of state X increased by X% and the population of state Y increased by Y% from 2001 to 2011. So, we are talking about here year 2001 to 2011. In the year 2001, so I will take now population of state X. I will take some A. Population of state Y, I will take some B. Okay. Now here what is, we are talking about ratio. Let P be the ratio of the population of state X to state Y. So here P is nothing but ratio of these two. Ratio is nothing but some A by B. This is P value in the year 2001. Now one statement is given what now initially, population of state X increased by X%. So this value is increased by X% in the year from 2001 to 2011. So here I will write now A into X% is increased means 100 plus X by 100. Now what about population of state Y? What is given? The population of state Y increased by Y%. Means this value B is increased by Y% means the new value I am writing here 100 plus Y divided by 100. This is the new values. Now if we take the ratio of these two, this is the new ratio. So A into 100 plus X divided by 100 whole divided by B into 100 plus Y divided by 100. This is the what now? New ratio. This is what now? New ratio. This is old ratio, previous value. This is P is also here ratio, but previous value. This is, so this is old value. This is new value. Okay. Now question asking what now? The percentage increase in P. P is nothing but ratio. This is old ratio. This is new ratio. Asking how much percentage increase in these values. Now observe here A by P is, we are assumed the ratio P. Here also A by B is there. A by B we are assuming P here. So here also I will take P now. Now the value of P is what now here? Coefficient of P is 1. This is P. 1 into P. Here clearly in the problem it is mentioned X is greater than Y now. If X is greater than Y, so okay, here 100 get cancelled. Now if X is greater than Y, definitely 100 plus X is also greater than 100 plus Y. So whenever numerator is more than the denominator value, total fraction value is more than 1. That's why here P coefficient is 1. Here A by B is P now. P coefficient is more than 1. So clearly value is increasing. How much percentage increasing means what now? Find the difference value here. What is the difference in between P value? Initial value P. So new value I will write now P into 100 plus X divided by 100 plus Y I am writing. Why? Here 100 get cancelled. I will write now 100 plus X by 100 plus Y. This is old value. This is new value. Here P coefficient is 1. Here P coefficient is more than 1. What is the difference between these two? So I will write the difference 100 plus X by 100 plus Y minus 1 into P. I will take P is common. This is difference value. Therefore required percentage. This is I will write now required percentage equal to, how to calculate either percentage growth or percentage decrease. For percentage decrease, that is difference value by old value into 100 will give us percentage increase. Okay, what is the difference value here? P into 100 plus X by 100 plus Y minus 1 divided by, what is the previous value? Old value, that is P into 100. Now here PP get cancelled. Now find LCM here. 100 plus X minus 100 minus Y whole divided by 100 plus Y into 100. So here Plus 100 minus 100 cancel, x minus y into 100. Finally our solution will be x minus y into 100 divided by 100 plus y. This is the right answer. So from the options, the right option is C.